annoying as all get out. Look out! Hi everybody, welcome to Jay Hunto's Garage. Today is like day 13 of the Wuhan virus lockdown in America. And with everybody staying home and being safe, washing hands, coughing into your elbow. Today I'm gonna help support local business. Yesterday I got the oil changed my wife's car, which I would normally do myself. And today I'm gonna get the tires balanced on my 2014 Chevy Silverado, which we are riding in right now. So the problem I'm having with this is ever since I bought the truck, about right at 75, it got a bad vibration in the wheels. So they're 22-inch wheels, I think, and they have mag weights, and I'm kind of suspect of the tires because they have a really hard tread compound, 720, I think, and we're gonna see if rebalancing them will take care of that issue, or if they're just crappy tires that's what they do. That's a thing. I had that happen with the HHR, which thankfully is now sold. Someone else is enjoying that car. So I thought I'd take you down to Marioshop, just not too far from Jay Hunto's Garage, and show you what they do as far as see, I'm at 75 right now, and it's vibrating. Yeah, that is just annoying as all get out.
You've no idea the physical toll. Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snap.
It's annoying. It's as annoying to feel when you're driving as it is for you to listen to me doing that. So we're gonna see if we can get that taken care of. If nothing else, I get peace of mind that I know the tires have been balanced correctly, and that I get to help local business, and you get to see what they do for balancing tires, and also their procedures for accepting the vehicle. That's pretty much what this video is going to be about. Here goes. So I'm here with Preston with Marioshop. He's going to take us through the procedures they go through to help keep everybody safe during this COVID crisis.
That's right, John. We're taking every necessary precaution to make sure our employees and customers are all, safe and healthy in this crazy thing that the world is going through. We're wiping down every handle, shift knob, steering wheel with a diluted bleach solution, as well as spraying the interior with Lysol. We just want to make sure everyone stays healthy throughout this whole thing.
And with that, I'm going to hand over my keys.
Yeah, spray these.
Okay, so this is set. He's going to balance the first tire. Let's see what she does. So 1/2 ounce?
Yeah.
So this machine will tell you exactly where it's off, where you need to add the weight?
Usually right from on this machine, right from the shaft itself, straight up. You'll line it up with the dots. And at that point, it's right a vertical. And I have it on this setting, so it's outside lip, and the inside right behind the
Inner part of the rim?
yeah. And you see that's really off. It's staggered from this weight that's here. So pretty much you just got to take it all off and redo it. Just to be true.
Half an ounce? How much of a difference does that make?
Very little.
Okay, so it's a good possibility this one isn't causing the rumble that I'm experiencing at 75. The vibration, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let's try another one.
You can.
Yeah.
If it comes down to it, and just put it back on. And
so, in your experience, half an ounce not a big deal.
Not too noticeable. We like to get it closer to 0, and to do that, if you want to, we can take it all back, take all your weights off, and start from scratch. That's the best way to do it. But it's just really on preference on what you would like.
Let's see if one of the others is, or what any of the others are way off more than a half an ounce.
And we'll just keep this one in mind.
There you go. All right, so this one's the right front wheel.
Yep. See, that'll make a difference, for sure.
Okay.
And you can see there's weights missing.
That's right. I
So-
see that. So more than likely, that's what my rumbling or vibration issue is.
Could be, yeah, right in the front.
More likely, you're going to feel it on the front than in the back.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
But being the rear end is so light, depending on payloads, you'll feel it a lot.
So what is it you're cleaning the rim with?
This is just a slight oilless brake cleaner.
Okay.
It won't harm the wheel. It just makes it squeaky clean, so it can.
So you can stick the new weight on.
New
Sure.
weights would be good.
I tell you what, there's nothing more annoying than trying to go 75 miles an hour on American highways and it just vibrates.
It's a lot better now.
Nailed it.
So would you like
Nailed
to
it.
pull those off and redo those? Or just kind of leave them like it is?
I think we should. I think we can leave it like it is. If a half an ounce isn't going to make that much of a difference,
No.
then I'm good with that.
I'm sure there's times when you think you get off.
As well.
Oh, this one's off too. Okay, I think that's going to be the source of our. Oh wait, this is the rear.
This is
Yeah, geez, Louise. No wonder. So this thing's going to ride like a Cadillac after this, right?
Let's hope so.
Go ahead.
On this button, it will give you an exact spec of how much weight that needs to be put on the car.
To the exact.
wheel, yeah.
Okay.
That
So
will just go by increments of quarters.
there you go. Okay. So the machine does have the capability of getting extremely
Fine-tuning.
precise. Yeah. Fine tuning.
But most weights goes by quarters. But other specs will go by ounces, and those will vary a lot tighter.
Very good.
So I'm gonna try this.
Nailed it.
And to make sure, 0.7, 0.35.
There you go.
It's good.
I think that'll be fine. Okay, this one is the left front. See how, oh, this one's not too bad. Nope, this one's actually good.
Kind of leave that in range, or would you want to?
I think we'll leave it in range, see how it does. And, well, I'll tell you what, because that's so close, I'll go drive it again, and if I have to, I'll bring it back, and then we'll do a follow-up video
On
on it.
those two?
Yep. So this truck's got right at 100,000 miles on it, and it's actually looking really good under here. Rear disc brakes got plenty of pad life. Front ones are about the same, so not bad.
All right, just to explain the different styles of weights we have here. To start with, we have what's called the P weight. This kind of weight typically goes on a passenger car with a steel wheel that has a lip on the exterior and interior, or possibly just the interior. Kind of depends on the day and age. Here we have an AW weight, otherwise known as aluminum wheel weight. These typically have a lip on the interior of the rim. That's what these are for. The clap is a little bit bigger when you want to hammer it on. And finally, these are becoming more and more common. These are adhesive weights. You literally just break one off, kind of like a candy bar, and they go on the interior of the wheel to balance it. A little less unsightly. You can't really see it unless you look deep into the wheel.
Does it say do not eat on it?
Yeah, okay. Well, we hope everyone enjoyed a video on what it takes to rotate and balance tires properly. You know, it's critical to the maintenance of your vehicle and keeping the tires nice and longevity, things of that nature. You know, we are open during this crisis. We really sincerely hope everyone comes down that needs to. You know, stay quarantined as much as you can, but your vehicle is a necessary part of your everyday life in general. So thank you all for watching this. Have a great day. Complete silence, please, on the set.